Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny Baracco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So today we're going to take some time to connect with the angels and see what messages they have for us. So take this time to close your eyes and go within, making yourselves comfortable and simply holding the intention of connecting with your beloved angels who are full of love and light for you, acceptance of you, unconditional acceptance and love for you. And welcome them in. Sense and feel the beloved light all around you. Let it come in, knowing that you are worthy. And open up your heart now as we allow these angels to bring forth powerful reminders and messages for us. And the first reminder for us today is to be full of truth and integrity. And just allow that message to sink in deep. Be true to you. Be honest with yourself, honest with others. Walk the walk and talk the talk. Walk the talk. Be everything that you came here to be. Be everything that you know you can be. Speak your truth and stand in your truth. Be you. 100% be you. Don't lessen yourself for anyone. Be all of you. 100%. And let yourself shine like only you can. Bright with all the gifts that you have and that you are. No more shying away. Let yourself be seen and heard and felt. You be you, knowing that it's more than enough. Taking that message in, as the angels bring forth another message for us. And it's about spiritual growth. And the angels applaud us, they commend us for growing spiritually, for developing, for coming this far and continuing to move forward. Sense and feel how proud our angels are of us. And they ask us to be just as proud of ourselves and to love ourselves just like the guides and angels do. And to continue to grow like we have, one day at a time, one moment at a time. Keep moving forward, giving ourselves the credit that we deserve for growing so far, so much already. And continuing along our path, our enlightened, illuminated path, as more and more light comes in and we grow even more. We are connected with the earth, with the divine, with all there is. And we continue to grow, one together as one. Accepting that beautiful message, and then finally, intention. Our angels ask us to put forth our intentions, to let our intentions be known, to ask, knowing that we can and will receive when we believe. And we share those intentions. We ask with an open heart, an open soul. We're not attached to the outcome and we can be happy regardless. We let our intentions be known. we trust in the divine outcome, that everything will work out for our highest good. And we continue to simply have the intention of being ourselves, of continuing to grow, of being as loving as we can possibly be, knowing that that is always going to be enough. As long as we hold that intention for ourselves to continue to grow, to continue to shine, continue to move forward. Wow. Everything will work out beyond words for our highest good. Hold that intention, everyone, of being your full self, your true, authentic, divine self. Continue to grow. And know that you will continue to grow as long as you hold that intention. Be yourself. Be you. Be love. Be light. And grow. And blossom. The angels thank you. They ask you to commend yourself and thank yourself and continue to grow. Thanking the angels and the beautiful energies, bringing all these beautiful messages and energies back into our physical bodies, coming back to this time, back to this place. Taking our time coming back fully, remembering to be our full, true, authentic selves, to continue to grow spiritually. Hold that intention, everyone. God bless you all. And so it is. You are growing. You are true. You are authentic. We thank you.